Yeah, so Hindsight's really helped us to be able to get the Tucson facility up and running and into production with no drop in quality, and to enable us to train our new technicians in the most rapid possible time.
It saves us time, and it gives a better idea to the new technician how to assemble things. It gives them confidence to keep going.
So GroundProbe, we manufacture monitoring solutions for the mining industry.
Our core business is radar, which is what the company was founded on, and we've been 22 years in the radar market now. So our technology is used to monitor for very small movements and trends in the movement of the rock face. It can see through atmospheric conditions, clouds, rain, those kind of things. It's a really, really high-end technology. But in the mining industry, we were the very first to create this technology. We represent about 60% of the overall global market, and we're in a rapid growth phase at the moment. There's a lot of demand for the world's critical resources for the transition to clean energy. So our demand profile had picked up to the point where our supply chain in Brisbane was bottlenecking, sometimes in production, sometimes at our vendors.
So recently we started our Tucson, Arizona manufacturing facility.
We've got 2 factories with all the people who knew how to build the product in one factory and a load of new people in another factory. So we wanted to be able to transfer that knowledge, but without the need to fly people over there and spare them from daily production for weeks on end. Making sure the layout of the factory and the people that we hired were the really best that they could be in terms of training and ability to quickly absorb information. Because with a brand new supply chain, brand new components, quality issues abound, people would basically teach each other how to build things, and you would gradually get a degradation of the quality of that training. So we wanted to address that and improve our consistency of quality, but also have people do things the prescribed way every time. We use Hindsight for making sure that the quality is consistent, but we also want to make sure that we can rapidly onboard new employees, that we can maintain a consistency of quality, that every day we're following the same checkpoints and the same process. With the Hindsight tool, we're able to build that workflow as we build up the picture of how that actual product is going to fit together.
It works in a sense that we're able to effectively communicate that kind of tribal knowledge as well as the culture across into Tucson, because that's part of the recipe that we really didn't want to lose. Even still pictures is better than just words on a page, but if you can put GIFs in, if you can apply video to what you're looking at.
That's one of the actual highlights of Hindsight, where we were able to actually upload short videos. It's just you get to actually see what's happening with the proper way. We actually lay down a pad or even a cable.
I think what we saw in Hindsight from their initial pitch was that they were very much like GroundProbe, and we like working with people like us because we're very innovative and we're very customer focused. So we really liked that because it almost felt like they were part of our team.
Up to this point, that's the best part of working with Hindsight, to be honest with you, because my goal is to at least match the production output of Brisbane. Hindsight being our interface to train them all these new technicians, is a major tool for us. I mean, I've never seen this kind of support, to be honest with you.
We want to be able to get our technicians in the field to be able to connect with an subject matter expert at any point on the planet, any time, so that we can scale our business and still be able to bring new people in the field operations, and then still be able to solve complex problems even though they might be on like day 3 of their employment. I think definitely the Tucson facility, make sure that the quality out of Tucson is the same as the quality out of Brisbane. We just couldn't have done that without Hindsight.